welcome back to my channel. Steph's got it. Alright, let's see what she's got today. So here's one of my long-awaited unopening of all these China packages that I have sitting here over the past couple of weeks when I got sick. So we are going to open this one up and see what it has. While I'm doing that, let me take the opportunity to say welcome to the channel. Nice to have you. Hope you are enjoying your day. Mine has been pretty long, but I'm still taking time out to record this video for you, because if you can take time to stop by here to check it out, I can take time to stop by here and put them up. Right? All right, so here we go. 'Tis it, nothing more. What do we have? It looks like one of my partials. It is. I did not realize they were going to be this tiny, but apparently they are. Okay, where's the opener thing? Do I have to rip it open? No, there it is. Good grief, that was like 4 knocks. Alright, dump that bad boy out. Now this is interesting. There are only 3 colors in there. It's not going to focus. Alright. That's interesting. 3 colors. Alright, let's open this up and see what we have. So we have our regular toolkit. There's 1 piece of wax, 1 pink drill pen, single placer, and 1 green boat with no pour spout. There you go. And our 3 little packets of drills. Ooh, sparkly, pretty. All right, so I have 3 colors. This is rhinestone. You can see that. Come on, baby, focus for mama. Well, you can see the sparkles, if nothing else. Okay, and then this one is red rhinestones. There you go. And this one looks like 310. Oh, look at that, and there's an escape rhinestone in there. And guess what? It's neither red nor silver. So they do not have the DMC codes on them. So it's okay. They're rhinestones. Alright, let's see the painting. Oh, look at the little baby. Isn't it cute? So, it's a little baby tiger, so you can see that. And you can see the thumbnail for a little baby tiger. And again, the legend. It's 3 colors. And then at the bottom, it is actually in English, unlike the other one we got. Oh, look at that. Even though this is only, I mean, this can't even be 20 by 20. They have the legend, the key in the top. Well, let's put it down here. They have the key in the top and there at the bottom. So that's pretty cool. And down here, they actually have pictures as well as written instructions on how to do the diamond painting. All right. So as I said, this is a partial. So none of this is a partial. None of this is sticky. This is all pre-drawn in there. Only he or she, little cutie, is sticky. How sticky? Very sticky. So that's good. Let's look at the sticky. It looks well intact. Now, this tiger, all that is actually drawn on, and it looks like I'm just placing rhinestones within the drawing, but it is actually drawn on. Like, these are pieces of his little fur and everything. So the symbols are all numbers. 1, 2, and 3 are the numbers. Okay, but I just thought he was so cute. He'll make such a pretty little baby gift to go in someone's nursery, I think. So I'm very happy with him. The drills look very good and sparkly. I mean, They could look a little less plasticky, but we'll see once we get them out of the bag and onto the drill. But they look okay. And the painting is gorgeous. I'm very happy with the painting. The drills look okay. It was shipped very well. Now you don't get any fluff with it. That's all you got. We're going to put our plastic back on top so he stays sticky. Okay. And now let's see where we got him from in our handy dandy drill logbook. So let's put our stones up there and our boat. So there we are, the information that we have on this painting. Let's bring it over where you can stare at the painting while I stare at the book. Alright, so this is called the White Baby Tiger. He is 10 inches by 12 inches. That's 25 by 30 centimeters. It's a partial, and it has rhinestones instead of resin drills. And I purchased it from Amazon from Loveer, Loveer, and it is $2.99, and I got it on sale because it says the original price was $9.99. The shipping was 99 cents. I did not get this on the Amazon Prime. I mean, I had Prime on, but this did not qualify for Prime, so I had to pay 99 cents shipping. It is going to be a gift, even though I said it. No, I'm going to keep him. He's just so cute. No, I'm going to gift it. I'm going to gift it. I'm going to gift it. I'm going to change that. I'm going to gift it. I don't know for who yet, but it'll be a baby shower gift for someone. I purchased it on March 30th. It was shipped on April the 1st. It was expected to be received between April the 19th and May the 10th. I received it on April the 16th. So I received it earlier than the expected ETA, estimated time of arrival. The canvas looks good. The colors are pretty. Even the colors that are not part of that you don't have to put the drills on. It's very pretty. The painting is just darling. I just love him. What else? The rhinestone drills look good. We'll put them on and hope that they're really, really bright and shiny. The shipping, again, I had to pay shipping. It was only 99 cents, so no big deal, but the product was as it was described, and I will let you know when I complete it how everything went. This will probably be something that I'll do soon because it should not take very long to do it. Alright, hun, there you go. That's my DP of the week. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. It's always a joy to have you at the channel. If you like what you see, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And if you don't like what you see, you can always be free to give it a thumbs down. You do you, boo. I'd like to thank you again for stopping by the channel. If you like the content that you've seen so far and you're interested in seeing more content on the channel, then don't forget to press that subscribe button and highlight your little bell so that it rings to let you know whenever I place a video on the channel. As always, hun, if you're having a great day, help someone else have a great day. Love and shimmies.